Hey everyone, this is Faraz from WhatsAppKaro. So in this video, we'll talk about how exactly you can get WhatsApp Business API through Meta and how you need to connect your WhatsApp Business API to WhatsAppKaro. So let's start. So first, let me tell you, this is our software, and here you need to connect your official WhatsApp Business API. So we have two options to connect. One is through embedded sign up and one it is manually. So I am going to show you. So I had already connected, so now I have disabled, so I can show you guys how exactly you can connect the official WhatsApp Business API to WhatsAppKaro. So guys, to do WhatsApp marketing, the first thing you need is WhatsApp Business API, which I had already told you in the previous video. I had showed you the meta pricing and I had given you the complete details. So in this video, our agenda will be simple. I will be showing you how to exactly get WhatsApp Business API through Meta. What are the requirements? And once you get how you need to integrate with WhatsApp Group. So let's start. The first requirement is you need to have a Facebook account with official Facebook page, then business manager account, and you need to have a new number, guys. Even you can use the existing one, but the thing is you need to delete the account. What exactly I mean by delete the account is not uninstall the WhatsApp or WhatsApp business. It means you need to completely delete the WhatsApp business or WhatsApp. Then only you will get the option to apply for the WhatsApp business. So, in my recommendation, the best thing is you can buy a new number. There are many service providers. As of now, Jio is in top. You can buy Geo number, which hardly will cost you 350 rupees, and it's like a one-time buy. And it's not mandatory that you need to recharge every month because that doesn't make any sense. You can recharge once in a 3 months just to keep your number alive. Okay. So let me tell you, you can just go to Geo app in your mobile itself and order a new phone, and you might be getting the new number within 2 days. So once you get the number, or you can go to your local vendor. This is for the people who are in India. And if you are someone who stays outside India, you can buy any number going to your local vendor and you can buy a new number. So I would recommend you guys to buy a new number rather than using the existing number. So the things would be easy for you guys. So once you have all this, and guys, for you Indian guys, you need to have GST and one working website with proper privacy policy, terms and services policy page. Okay, let's start. So once you have that, you need to go to business.facebook.com. So once you go over here, let me show you once again. So once you are here, you need to have a Facebook page, which I had already told you. So once you are over there, you need to create a business portfolio. So because already I have created, I am going to show you how exactly it looks. So once you have this business portfolio, first thing what you need to do is you need to create a WhatsApp account from here. You can add and you can create a WhatsApp account. Okay, because I have already done this, so I have all the things which are needed to integrate with WhatsApp Karo. So let me show you how exactly you can do that. As I told you, there are two ways. One is this, which is embedded sign up, and one is manual. So first I will show you the embedded sign up. So just click on connect WhatsApp. If you want, you can keep the catalog permission. If you don't want, you can press this. So as of now, I'm not keeping the catalog permissions. Then let me continue this. Then you need to choose the right business portfolio which you have created. For example, I have created this, then the WhatsApp business account which you are going to create. As of, because I have already created, so I'm just choosing one, or else you can create a new WhatsApp business account. Then you can choose everything like this, the way I'm choosing. Then next, then you need to put your website URL and your time zone. Okay, once it's done, business description you can keep blank as of now, and even the category you can keep other as of now. Then click next. So once you click, you will get an option to add a new number. So in the new number, you have to put your number, because I have already added, so I can't put this, because let me show you. Even though if I try to put this, what gonna happen? So if I put my number, the one which I have already created, the WhatsApp Business API, which is this number. So if I send a text message, it will show me that this number is registered with an existing WhatsApp account. To use this number, disconnect from the existing account. So you can't use the same number again to grab the WhatsApp Business API. So guys, once you put your number, it is going to ask you how to verify your number, whether you can choose text or phone call. Once it's done, you are going to connect this. So this is kind of very easy and anyone can do this. Now let me show you how exactly you can do this manual way. So in manual way, it's asking you to get WhatsApp business account ID and access token, which I'm going to show you how exactly we are going to do this. For that, we need to get back to this, and first, as I told you, we need to create an app. Let's say for this, I have already created this, and guys, if you are facing any difficulty and if you have any doubts, I am going to share a related video in the description box where you will see how exactly you need to create this credentials. For example, I have already done this, so I'm just showing you. You can watch the other video where we have explained how exactly we need to create all these credentials. So you need to go here, open in app dashboards. The link is this, guys, developers.facebook.com. Over here, we need to create the app. In the app settings, let me just show you. We need to put the basic details. Okay. So once it's done, you will get the app ID, app secret. But as of now, we don't want it. We need the API. So we are going to click on the WhatsApp, below WhatsApp API setup. And over here, we are going to get the WhatsApp business API. Okay. Sorry, WhatsApp business account ID. We are going to copy this. We are going back. We are going to paste this. Access token. So guys, access token, you can generate temporary access token or you can generate permanent access token. So I am going to show you how to generate permanent access token. For that, we are going to come into business portfolio and click on system users. And over here, let me show you. And over here, first you need to give access, you need to assign access. First you need to generate a system user. Let's say I want to generate a system users. Once it's done, you need to assign assets. For example, whichever the WhatsApp account I'm going to grab the access token. For example, I want to assign this because it's already assigned. I no need to assign once again. So you can see I have already assigned this. I need to assign the app as well the WhatsApp account. Once it's done, very simple. You need to just click on generate token. You need to select the app. The app will be this because this is the one, right? And we'll get back over here, click on next. Token expiry, if you want, you guys can keep for 60 days, but it's always recommended to keep never. Click on next, assign permission. Already the permissions are assigned. If it's not, you need to assign the permission, which is business management, catalog management, then WhatsApp business management, WhatsApp business messaging. Once it's done, generate token. Then it will ask you to verify your account, which we are going to verify. It's asking me that it's going to send a SMS to on this number, which I need to put the OTP. So it confirms. So we got the OTP. And we are going to submit the OTP. Guys, if you guys have any doubts, any questions, you can ask me in the comment section or you can DM me through Instagram. And guys, you no need to worry about all this because once you purchase our software, doesn't matter which plan you are gonna get this entire setup done by my team. You no need to worry about this at all. So guys, once you are done this, we got the access permanent token. We are gonna copy this. We're gonna come back to WhatsAppKaro. We're gonna paste this. Once it's done, we will just click on connect. So once we click on connect, it will hardly take 5 to 10 seconds and it's going to show the success. Connected, WhatsApp account has been connected successfully. So once it's done, so it shows that our account has been connected. Let us refresh. Once it's connected, guys, give me a moment. You can go to shared inbox and you can start sending the WhatsApp messages. So now, as of now, it's like outside 24-hour window, which I had already spoken to you guys how exactly this works. Now I can only send this person template. So I'm gonna send him template. The template is not yet synced. So what we are gonna do, we are gonna go to chatbot manager, WhatsApp bot. We are gonna click on WhatsApp bot and we are gonna click on message template. And we're gonna sync templates. If you want, you can create a new template. If you already have the one, you just have to map the template. So you mapped, then we'll get back to it. So we're gonna refresh. So this is the template and we are gonna send the template to this particular user. So once you send the template, let me show you by opening my WhatsApp. This is my WhatsApp number, guys, which I had shared my own number. So you guys can have a proper understanding. So this is the number. sometimes it takes some time to integrate properly. So after some time, we'll start getting messages, guys. But make sure you guys are setting up it properly, and you no need to worry about this, because as I already told you, we are going to do it completely free of cost on behalf of you, everything. But you need to understand one thing: Meta charges you separately apart from what we charge you, and we don't have any commissions on that. But make sure you go to payment settings and add your card. This is where the Meta is going to charge you per template basis. So this is all about today's video, guys. We are going to create more videos on the all the features in the upcoming videos.